basically the class sessions, that how they are designed. Like each module, resonates with what is coming next, and also takes some kind of information from past. It's like you have to regularly be up to date with the module, and to learn and to apply everything in the further modules. Whatever we are learning, it's on again up to us that how far we have to take that learning. Overall experience in IIAD is fun, it's creative, and it's really interactive, I would say. And yeah, I love all the sessions, especially all the workshops that, additional workshops that we get. So yeah, paper is patient and comic making were my favorite. And those masterclass by faculties like Shiva sir is again, it's very knowledgeable, yeah.